Oh, hi Keith, Nigel Reid. I met you at Eastern Lines yesterday, today's Sunday. I met you yesterday, 6th of Feb. Anyway, here's a quick review on your website, and I'll send this in an email with a few more details. So here's your website, and off the bat I can see that you're not tracking website visitors using Google Analytics. You're not catering for potentially advertising on Facebook in the future, and then there's also some fundamental issues that need to be addressed. Overall, the website's good, but there's just some fundamental issues that will help Google find you. I can see you've got a Facebook page which I couldn't see being linked to from your main page, and I also noticed that it's got a different phone number, and that'll be a problem in terms of ranking and in terms of Google being able to trust who you are and where you're from, because Google has a lot of the way that the websites rank is based on the trust that Google has in terms of the authority as well. That whatever website they're looking at, the Google searches, it needs to have consistency with names, addresses, emails, all that sort of stuff. And if they're inconsistent, Google gets confused. You've also got a Google My Business page, which looks okay, but I can see there's a bit of work that needs to be done there. So I checked where you were ranked. I'm flying through this a bit quick, but happy to have another discussion over this over a long time at some point. So I looked where you were ranked for certain keywords, and you can see that the best ones that you ranked for are events insurance or events public liability insurance. A lot of the others you're not really ranked for. So that's you may want to look at how you can increase that and get higher ranking and more visitors. When I did a quick scan of your website, this is on the home page. The title tag doesn't mention commercial insurance; it mentions insurance. Again, Google looks at this as a key indicator as to what your website's about, so it doesn't get much of an indication there. There's nothing in the meta description. That's a problem. You need to have that fixed. And that H1 tags, which are header ones, which are just the main headings, or the main heading. Normally you have one main heading on each page, and that's missing. The header twos, which are the subheadings, they're okay, although you might want to elaborate on that a little bit more, just to help Google understand what your page is about a bit more. The other thing I did was a quick check of your company details on Google or on the internet, and so Google places a lot of value on consistency with the name, okay, the address, and the phone number, and also the website address. And you can see here, it's in this little search, it's found of the 19 directories, 53% missing, 37% incorrect, and 10% correct. And they may be incorrect for any one of a number of reasons. So it may be the address is wrong, or the phone number is wrong. So I looked at one in here, for instance, that's got 279, not 2/279. It could be that the phone number's slightly wrong, or in the case of Facebook, it's got a mobile number, whereas on the main website it's got a landline number. All these things are causing your website not to rank high and probably not get as many visitors. Look, when I looked at it, there is a lot of work to be done, which is fine. When we can start somewhere and look at the low-hanging fruit. I'll send you an email, and this is just the first little review I've done, and we can discuss it further if you feel like it. So I'll leave you my details in the email, and I hope you got some value out of this little review of your website. Okay, cheers, Keith.